What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So it's Baba Fridays, guys. So every Friday I try to look at Baba and Neo. So the next video will be Neo, so make sure you check out that one as well. So let's take a look at what happened since last week Friday, which was right back over here. Price was trading right around the mid $80 level, 84, 83. We saw a little drop down on Monday, but the trend line is still holding. You see that the momentum is intact. The bulls are moving at this angle of attack. So, price did see a little drop, a little consolidation at this prior high, but it was just a short trap. So traders, some traders were probably thinking there was a double top, and they went short, but they did not focus on this bullish momentum coming in. And then look what happened. Price gapped up right above the $85 level. It didn't even trade anywhere in that $85, $86 level. It just gapped up to 87, so even higher. So it's still bullish. Seeing a little bit of resistance take place today. Nothing major. There is a trend line approaching, a bigger one, so that could possibly affect this bullish momentum, this downward trend line right over here that I drew off these swing highs. So we are approaching that level, and there's also some prior resistance at this peak right over here. So you can see that price rallied all the way from that 68 to the 88 right over here, and then sold off. So there's some strong resistance at this level, or some reason why traders are exiting the position and short sellers are entering their trade. So there's some reason at this price level of seeing the drop occur. So that's where we're seeing some minor resistance take place. Again, this is just minor. The bullish momentum is still in play, and the measurement target at the $94 level is still in play as well. So overall, still bullish. It's just that we're finding some temporary resistance, and we'll see what happens. I mean, as long as it doesn't break through that trend line, everything is still pretty good. Even if we break it, it's not game over. We could always still move up higher, but it's more ideal for the bulls that we stay above this trend line and we rally all the way towards that mesh move target before seeing some sort of correction take place. So that's all I see on the daily chart. Not much else occurred. And let's take a look at the weekly chart now. Here's the weekly chart. We see nice big green candles coming in the market, versus before it was kind of lower volatility over here, but now we're seeing some strong buying pressure coming into the market. So maybe we even make a larger mesh move target in the future. So technically, this is one large leg right over here. All this is the correction, and this will be the second large leg up, and that takes price to 130. So we'll see if that occurs. As right now, it's not really in play until we can see a break of this downward trend line. And this trend line, it's not that major of a trend line. We need to confirm it. So we'll see if it confirms or not. Because we only have two swings. You can connect two swings on anything, so you need that confirmation third swing to say if it's going to be in play or not. So as right now, it's potentially going to be in play. We'll have to wait and see. So next week, we'll probably have a better idea, or the next couple of weeks. If we see a break of this trend line all the way to the 94, there's a strong reason for price to just continue rally higher towards the triple digits. So that's how I'm looking at Baba. EMA is starting to curl up. Look at before the EMA was not curling up as much as it did just now. You can see that in the past, the EMA was kind of just mostly pointing down, this blue line. There was some instances in the short term where it was moving up, but price just collapsed below it quickly. So that doesn't really count. But you can see in this case, the majority of the time, the EMA is kind of pointing up, and the price bars are staying above it. So it looks like there could be a change in the long-term trend as well. So things are looking pretty good, at least in the short term for Baba. We'll see how it works out in the long term for Baba traders and investors. That's all I have for Baba on the daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.